Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add Suica to Google Pay. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So for you to transform your Android device into an IZ card in Japan, you'll need to integrate Suica or Pasmo into your Google Pay application. Now before proceeding with Google Pay, ensure that NFC and contactless payments are activated. Now, next thing you want to do is you need to navigate to your phone's settings, then connections, and locate NFC and contactless payments. Now, from there, once you've done that, we're now ready to add Suica into our Google Pay. Now, to do that, you need to follow the following instructions. The first thing you want to do is you want to open the Google Pay app on your Android and choose Payment. Now, from there, click on the payment method and e-money and select either Suica or Pasmo. Now off for anonymous card and proceed by selecting next and finally click accept at the bottom of terms of services. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.